Hi, welcome back to my channel. I want to show you another add-on for my Hobby Eclipse Mirage. I ordered this IFIN online from Alibaba. Special thanks to Mr. Jason Chen for sending it so fast, like in about 10 days. And let's open it now. Looks like this. A protector for the remote, a pin, charger, yeah, US pin, US plug, and here is the propeller. Wow, it range like 2 to 3 kg. The remote, extra remote, oh, nice cardboard, and the emergency stop for the battery. Oh, it works immediately and stop. Hey, hey, hey. US bracket, that's what I will request. They usually sending for inflatable bracket. And for battery support for paddleboard. What else? Another for battery support. And here, what we have here is the battery 30 Ah, and the weight is almost like 5 to 6 kg. I'm not pretty sure, but that's what I had measured. Extra battery for remote. So yeah, let's try it. Subukan muna natin. So this is the IFIN, the remote. Let's try it. And the remote is easy to operate as well. Let's switch it on. Press up to 3 seconds and it's now a switch on. And let's try the function of this remote. The slowest mode, second, third, fourth, fifth gear, sixth gear, 7, 8, up to 8 maximum speed. Slow, lowest. This slowest mode can possible to work up to 10 hours, and the maximum works up to 30 lb thrust. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.